Hey guys, this is Preston with NDSEM, and I'm excited to be back today with another video. On this video, we are going to be following up on a previous video that we had about setting up Facebook pixels, and we're going to be showing you how to make sure it's installed correctly. So there's a couple of ways to do this, but one of them is so simple and so easy. It's the biggest hack with Facebook marketing that I've seen thus far. So what you'll do is come here to if you're on the Ads Manager page, you'll click on your business tools here, come to Events Manager where your pixel is set up. This pixel has not been fully set up, but if it had been, this would be a different screen here, but everything up here is the same. So if you want to create custom conversions, you can do that here. You can actually go through all this information here, but the first way you can check to see if it's set up correctly, and even if you're wanting to set up these custom conversions and you want to figure out how to do that, you can actually enter your own website URL here, and if this page is compatible, and if your web page is compatible and your web host or your website host page is compatible, you can actually test these here. It's pretty simple. It's really cool. Like, for example, if you click over a button or something like that, it'll show you like what that's firing as when your pixel's installed. So you can set up those custom conversions there if that's something that you want to do, and it actually gives you the ability to set those up there. But the second way to make sure that your pixel is installed correctly, which is super awesome, is this thing called the Facebook Pixel Helper. So it doesn't even actually have to be your website or your pixel. You can always see if a pixel is on a web page. So for example, we're on this web page here for Business Manager and Ads Manager, and look at all these events it's giving us. It's showing us what's firing, showing us some button clicks that detected, and how long those took, and it shows us the location of the pixel and everything, the parameters, and so it's really cool. So a lot of people actually don't know about this. Some people do, but it's kind of overlooked. So how you get that is as long as you're in Chrome browser, you can get this as just an extension. So go ahead, come over here, go to Settings, click on Extensions, and if you have it downloaded, if you need to download it, you'll just come over here, click on Open Chrome Web Store, and search for Facebook Pixel Helper. Since I've got it already in here, I'm good to go. Make sure it's turned on here, and then as you can see, like, we don't have any Facebook pixel set up on this page, so Google Chrome doesn't have anything set up there, which isn't surprising. But if you come back to the Facebook page, you can see, oh, there's the Facebook pixel and it's firing. It tells us the ID. It can help us troubleshoot those, and it'll give us all this information. So you can see on a page where you have conversions that you're trying to track, you'll be able to see exactly how to track those and what they're tracking as. So this is the biggest hack for being able to make sure that's set up correctly. A lot of times people are just in the dark, or they're they can test things or see back end of code, but this is just the best area to look. It's so simple and so easy. Facebook makes it so simple to be able to pull in conversions to make sure they're firing correctly. So that's it for today. If you have any questions, let us know. Send us an email, comment on the video, or just reach out to us, and we'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks.